Alright, after months of renovating, Jessie was deciding she didn't like the green, so now we're doing the white. Right?
It's just dark in here and it was making me... I thought it would make me feel like I was in nature, but it was just making me feel down. It's too drabby.
Oh man, we got work to do. Watch this girl's napping like a champ. She fell off the couch, but I had pillows there just in case. All white now. All white. Bleeping white. Alright, Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas.
If in that is so warm. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that awesome?
That's like a perfect bath temperature. So tempted to jump in.
Yeah. This is awesome. Like the visitor center is right in this sweet downtown area. The quaint little downtown you'll see later.
Dad, you make hand paws. What? Hand paw.
Ham paw? Oh look, Count, stay by that water. You can see some water falling down. Whoa. Touch it and see if it's wet. I mean, if it's hot or cold.
It's hot.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Whoa. That water right there is hot. Look at the steam. Look at this. Look at the steam, bro. Look at the steam. What are you about to earn?
My badge.
What's the badge? Junior Ranger badge?
Mm-hmm.
Junior Ranger.
I'm a junior ranger.
I'll protect this park from danger.
I'll protect this park from danger.
I will not pick the plants.
I will not pick the plants.
I won't step on the ants.
I won't step on the ants.
No animals will get my food.
No animals will get my food.
And I won't litter because that's rude.
I won't because that's rude.
Our hard work is never done. This ranger life is fun. I thought.
That's it.
All right.
Goes down, it feels like we're losing our minds.
They said, where's that
It's okay, buddy. Oh, look at that one.
Feels right as long as you're around. This moment plays on like an anthem. Oh, you keep me wild. All the stars in the sky, all the lights on the highway. Oh, they keep us coming alive. Grab my hand in the dark, lightning straight to my heart. Oh, you get me every time.
Let's get Mommy's baby.
Ain't it kinda high you give me? Every second I'm fire in a daydream. Like whiskey on ice up on your climb. When you get in the storm and I need something right about you. Some kind of new American dream. All the stars in the sky, all the lines on the
Just another day walking back from being gone for a few hours, and oh, thank you, Soju. Peeing right there. More pee-pee, right?
That's why we bought this. Right? Waterproof coverage.
Yeah. That's why we have to do lots and lots of laundry.
So this happened. Maybe 3.
She has peed somewhere in our place at least 10 times on this trip. Minimum 10 times. She peed twice today. She peed on her dog bed. And then she gets nervous if we're killing flies. Look at her. She's probably going to pee right now. You going to pee in there?
Well, she's like, take me out, sir.
I'm going to
Oh, we'll feed her now. Unbelievable. Luckily, we don't have washer and dryer at this place, so we'll just get to bag up the pee-pee.
Well, we're going somewhere else.
Well, that's what we do.